Hello friends, this video shows how to capitalize a string. We can capitalize a string using the capitalize method. So we are taking the string I love Python. Sorry, I love Python. So we can use the capitalize function, that is s dot capitalize. Then we will get the result. I will be the first I is the first letter, and the capitalization means the first letter will be capitalized. So using the capitalize function of method string method, we can capitalize the first character of a string. Thank you.